Hi students, welcome to Bosco Campus Vision. I am Marina Michael, Assistant Professor, PG Department of Commerce, Don Bosco College, Kottayam. I am dealing the paper International Financial Management for MCOM S3 students. In this lecture, we are going to see introduction, meaning and importance of international financial management. Objectives of this paper is to familiarize the students with the international financial markets and investments and to convey an understanding about foreign exchange risk management. According to the syllabus, this paper is divided into 6 modules containing different chapters. First module, International Financial Management and Introduction. Module 2, Foreign Exchange Market. Module 3, Foreign Exchange Risk Management. Module 4, International Financial Instruments. Module 5, Foreign Direct Investment, that is FDI. Module 6, International Investment Decisions. Let us start with the first module, International Financial Management and Introduction. This module contains meaning and scope of international financial management, financial management of MNCs, that is multinational companies or multinational corporations, components of global financial markets, recent trends in global financial markets. Let us see what you mean by international financial management. All countries across the world are now compelled to adapt themselves to the new international economic order, where there is a free flow of goods, services, labor, technology, and money across the national boundaries. Today, the scope of economic activities, business transactions, and financial dealings has widened and become truly international. Finance, which facilitates the smooth conduct of all these different types of activities, has also assumed as international character and is now referred to as international finance. The management of financial resources in this conduct of international business transaction is referred to as international financial management. The management of financial resources in the above these context of international business transactions is referred to as international financial management. International financial management has now emerged as a distinct discipline of study. International business was studied as a part of international economics. The rapid expansion and diversification of international transactions during the recent years have necessitated a separate and distinct focus on the financial aspects of international transactions. The management of financial resources in the context of international business transactions is referred to as international financial management. It is concerned with international operations like the foreign exchange management, investment management, and risk management of exposed assets. International financial management deals with the study of institutions, policies, and practices that govern the global financial management or financial aspects of global business. It helps the multinational corporations in dealing with the cross-border transactions by detailing the various financial aspects involved in these transactions. The various financial aspects such as financial analysis, planning and controlling of financial transactions which is related to cross-border transactions of multinational corporations or multinational companies. Do you remember the subject financial management which we learn in the UG classes? Financial management is concerned with raising the capital needed by a firm at the minimum possible cost, estimating and formulating the capital structure of the firm, and utilizing the capital effectively to produce the maximum possible value. The financial management has two terms, finance and management. Finance refers to money available to a business firm. Management we know, it means planning, organizing, directing and controlling all the activities which is related to the business firm or any firms. Thus, financial management may be defined as planning, organizing, directing and controlling financial activities of a business enterprises. It is a blend of management and finance. In short, the process of managing the funds of an organization is known as financial management. Effective financial management is very important for any business firm. Effective financial management is very important for any business firm. Acquisition and allocation of financial resources so as to minimize the cost and maximize the return. Consistent with the level of financial risk acceptable to the firm is the core of financial management. Financial analysis, planning and controlling are major activities which form the parts of financial management. When a firm is engaged in international business, funds flow across the national boundaries. Such funds which move across countries are referred to as international finance. Once again, when funds which move across countries, business funds, through business transactions, the funds moves across countries are referred to as international finance. Management of these finance in particular firm is essentially a international financial management. It is very necessary to understand the dimensions of international financial management and the basic functions of international financial management for doing all these business transactions across boundaries. Next is the importance of international financial management. The most important feature of international financial management is that funds may be raised from investors in different countries and these funds may then be invested in different countries. Different interest rates in different countries as well as the differences in economic performance and economic conditions of different countries provide profitable opportunities as well as serious challenges to the managers. Another important feature of international financial management is the use of different currencies, popularly known as foreign exchange. The fluctuations in the exchange rates of different currencies add additional risk to the international business. The management of this risk is referred to as foreign exchange risk. It is an integral part of international financial management, foreign exchange risk. Other features are adapting to the changing global environment. changes in the global economic system have an impact on every business having international transactions. Hence, adapting to the changing global environment is an important feature of international financial management. Then, international financial management diminishes the national boundaries, rises the global companies, then rising of world trade volumes, increased cross-border capital flow. Capital flows from one country to another. Next is changing nature of money and capital market. Increasing the volume of commercial transactions at the international level leads to the creation of giant money market and financial market comprising of international financial market. Next is expanding technical infrastructure. The next, international financial management leads to global consumers and global competition through cross-border transactions. Then lastly, development of supporting financial infrastructure. Development of supporting financial infrastructure. Through international financial management, so many other supporting financial agencies and financial institutions are developed. To sum up, we can say that international financial management is highly complex and risky and hence challenging. Business in the present time is anything but international or national. Today, financial management has to be international, and the financial manager needs to understand the fundamentals of international finance if he has to succeed. Thank you.